Hi, this is N. John Sukumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Economics. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Sukumar's Smart Education. National Workshop organized by NILKANTHRAO SHINDE Science and Arts College, Chandrapur, Maharashtra, and Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Intellectual Property Management, Nagpur. Workshop title: Intellectual Property Rights, Patents and Designs Filing. Date: Thursday, 20th April 2023. Time at 11 a.m. Platform Cisco WebEx. Invited all the faculty members, students and research scholars. E-certificate will be provided. No registration fee. Registration link in description. Subscribe my channel, ring the bell for latest updates.